In this video, I'll show you how to prepare a map and the map composition. First, I'm preparing a Choropleth map on here. Just right click on it, go to properties, go to symbology, select as a graduated, select the value. This is the population density. You can select the color ramp, then click on the mode, that is a classes, then click on apply, then click on OK. You can rename the layer name also. Just right click on it, go to rename layer. I'm writing as population density. Okay, you can just add the label of the district. Okay, just right click on it, go to properties, go to labels, select as single label, then in the value field give the name and give the placement as offset from the centroid, then just click on apply, click on OK. You will see the district name was appear. Now for map composition, just go to project, then click on new printout layout, give a name, then just click on OK. So this is a portrait form. You can change the properties, that is a page properties. You can give the size, that is A4. The orientation, you can select portrait or landscape. Then just click on that is add map, select the position, you can see the map. Then click on move item content. You can move the West Bengal. I'm giving the scale of the map is 20,000. Okay, this is a map. Then I'm giving the frame. Just go to the frame and check the frame. Okay, you see this is a frame. Okay, I'm giving the grid of the map. Just click on this item properties. So go to the grid, then click on the plus button, select the grid one, then click the modify grid. This is a solid, or you can mark as it. I'm selecting the frame of autonomy. Okay, then you can select the map unit, that is I'm giving the 1. This is a 1 degree interval. Okay, so this is the interval. Then select the frame style as exterior tick. Okay, so you can see there is a tick on everywhere. Okay, so go to the grid, then once again click the modify. Now check the drop coordinate. You can see the coordinate, and the format is degree and minute. Okay, the format is degree minute. The left, this left position, I want to this as a vertical ascending, and the right, this position also on the vertical ascending. Okay, then go to the front, that is Times New Roman. Sorry, front Times New Roman. You can change the size of the map. I'm giving the 12. Click on OK, and the coordinate position is 0. Okay, you can change the size, of course, of 14 also. Okay, this is the grid. Now I'm giving the north arrow of the map. just clicking the add north arrow button. This is the north arrow. You can change the item from here. You can select any of the north arrow. I'm selecting this. Okay. Then you give the scale by clicking the add scale bar. In here, giving the scale. So the style is double box. You can see the box is changes. It is double, and you can give the left as 2 and right as 4. You can change the scale unit, of course. There is an interval of 25. You can change the unit. Okay, and you can give the frame or background, of course. So I'm not giving that. This is the scale. Now I'm giving the legend of the map by clicking on add legend. Select the area where you want to give the legend. Okay, and title is typing as legend. Okay, then give a frame on here, the font and text size. The title is in Times New Roman, and select the size as 18. Bold. Okay, so the title is changed, and this is a center on a center position. The item level for this item level, go to Times New Roman, then click on 14. Click on OK. The group, you can change the group icon, of course. Okay, group heading, it is Times New, bold, and 16. Okay, or subgroup as 14. Okay, so I'm changing the legend. Okay, so this is the legend of the map. You can give the title by clicking the text at level. Okay, select the area, then give the name, that is Choropleth. Map, enter, then showing the population density of West Bengal. Okay, so I'm giving the name and change the font, Times New Roman, bold, and the size is about 24. Then click on OK. Okay, then you can select the center. Okay, so this is the map composition. You can export this map in a image or a PDF format. Just click on the export as image. Go to the local disk, and I want to save in this on here, that is WP. Click on save, then select the resolution of that image, then click on save button. Go to the disk. So this is the West Bengal map that I am preparing from QGIS. So by this process you can compose the map on a QGIS. Thank you for watching the video.